Hey guys, this is Tharun here. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Well, I'm off to a place called Thippagondanahalli Dam. It's also called as T G Reservoir. It's somewhere close to Magadi, and it is just 30 kilometers away. So I left my home at around 5:30 and the time is right now 6 o'clock. So I've just traveled for 30 minutes now and I've started to vlog from here. So I just wanted to get off the traffic from city and I just wanted to take some time out. So guys, this is gonna be a very short video. I haven't gone to this place before and this is the first time I'm going to this place. So I was just bored at my place and I was trying to kill some time, and then I came across this place in Google. So I just thought, let me just head out and check. So here we are. So I should take another 15 minutes to reach this place. ಸರ್, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ದಾರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನು ಸರ್? ಹಿಂಗೇನಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸತ್ತಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸತ್ತಾ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ? ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಂ, ಹೌದಾ? ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಸರ್. ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ರಿಸರ್ವಾಯರ್, ಅದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನು? ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಹಾಂ, Okay guys, so those were the shots from drone. I had to actually walk till the reservoir, but then I decided not to because I'm all alone here and it was getting darker and I didn't feel it's safe for the bike to be parked here where there was no one. So I try to use my drone and I've tried to get some cool clips